Something strange is happening in our skies. Drones are falling from the sky. Mysterious orbs have been sighted. Is there a connection? People are talking. We need answers. Drones, those marvels of technology, are failing. They are falling out of the sky with alarming regularity. Is this just a coincidence, or is something else at play? The answers might lie in the appearance of strange, unidentified objects in our skies. This is where our journey begins. Reports are coming in from all over the world. Drones, both large and small, are experiencing sudden and catastrophic failures. What makes these incidents even more baffling is the fact that they often occur in close proximity to sightings of these mysterious orbs. Witnesses describe these orbs as spherical objects, often glowing or emitting a strange light. The correlation between the falling drones and the appearance of the orbs is too strong to ignore. Are these orbs simply unexplained natural phenomena, or could they be something else entirely? The falling drones and the appearance of the orbs are just the latest in a long line of unexplained phenomena. From ancient tales of strange lights in the sky to modern-day UFO sightings, we have always been drawn to the unknown. But this latest mystery feels different. The drones falling from the sky are a stark reminder of our vulnerability. This is where our exploration begins. The orbs themselves are difficult to pin down. Witnesses struggle to describe their size and luminosity. These orbs seem to defy our understanding of physics. They make sharp, impossible turns at high speeds. Adding to the mystery is the effect these orbs seem to have on animals. Are these orbs simply observing us, or do they have a purpose we can only guess at? It's the drones that provide the most compelling evidence of something truly unusual occurring. These sophisticated machines should not be falling out of the sky, and yet they are, often in the vicinity of these enigmatic orbs. Experts are baffled, pointing to possible electromagnetic interference. Some speculate that the orbs are emitting some kind of energy pulse that disrupts electronics. If these orbs can disable our drones with such ease, what else are they capable of? Some researchers are uncovering unsettling connections to the past. Declassified documents from the 1960s reveal unexplained events at nuclear weapons facilities. Security personnel reported seeing unusual lights in the sky, often described as glowing orbs. These sightings were often accompanied by equipment malfunctions. Are we witnessing a resurgence of this unexplained activity? The declassified documents paint a chilling picture of a bygone era. The Cold War served as the backdrop for a series of unexplained events. The documents detail numerous incidents where these orbs were sighted near nuclear weapons storage facilities. The parallels are undeniable. Unidentified aerial objects appearing near sensitive military installations. Is history repeating itself? The possibility that these orbs might be interested in our nuclear weapons is disturbing. Some researchers believe that these orbs might be connected to a race of beings known as the Watchers. According to ancient texts, the Watchers shared forbidden knowledge with humanity. Could it be that these ancient beings are still watching us, monitoring our technological progress? The idea might seem far-fetched, but it's a possibility that cannot be easily dismissed. One particular cluster of events, known as the Midwest Flap, provides a compelling case study. In the fall of 1966, a wave of UFO sightings swept across the American Midwest. The most well-documented incident occurred at Malmstrom Air Force Base in Montana. Multiple witnesses reported seeing a large glowing orb hovering near the base. The Midwest Flap raises disturbing questions about the vulnerability of our nuclear arsenal. The sheer number of incidents makes it difficult to dismiss these events as mere coincidence. The orbs seem to be sending a message, a warning perhaps, about the path we are on. Are they trying to warn us about the dangers of nuclear proliferation? Whatever their true nature, the orbs challenge us to look beyond our limited perspectives. They remind us of the vastness of the unknown and the fragility of our place in the cosmos. The Book of Enoch, a text shrouded in mystery and controversy, offers a chillingly plausible explanation for the orbs and their interest in our nuclear affairs. It speaks of the Watchers, celestial beings who descended to Earth in ancient times, their arrival marking a turning point in human history, for better or for worse. Were these Watchers angelic beings, messengers from a divine realm, as some interpretations suggest? Or were they something else entirely, extraterrestrial visitors from distant star systems drawn to our planet for reasons we can only speculate about? The Book of Enoch itself is unclear, leaving room for both interpretations and fueling centuries of debate among theologians and scholars. Whatever their true nature, the Watchers, according to Enoch, became enamored with humanity, sharing their advanced knowledge and technology with our ancestors. They taught us about astronomy, mathematics, metallurgy, and other arts and sciences, propelling human civilization forward at an unprecedented rate. But this transfer of knowledge, this divine or perhaps alien intervention, came at a price. Some texts suggest that the Watchers, in their fascination with humans, overstepped their bounds, engaging in forbidden relationships and activities that angered the higher powers. They transgressed the natural order, disrupting the delicate balance between heaven and earth, and their actions, according to Enoch, had dire consequences for both humanity and the Watchers themselves. Could these ancient stories, passed down through generations of oral tradition before being committed to writing, hold the key to understanding our current predicament? Are the orbs we are seeing today the return of the Watchers, drawn back to our planet by our reckless pursuit of knowledge and our development of weapons capable of unimaginable destruction? The parallels between the ancient stories of the Watchers and our current situation are too striking to ignore. Just as the Watchers of old shared their advanced knowledge with humanity, so too do we seem to be on the verge of unlocking secrets that could reshape our world, for better or for worse. The development of nuclear weapons, the splitting of the atom, represents a profound leap in our understanding of the universe and the forces that govern it. But it also represents a dangerous crossing of a threshold, a tampering with powers that we may not fully comprehend or control. Is it possible that our pursuit of such knowledge, our willingness to unlock the secrets of the atom, has attracted the attention of forces beyond our understanding? Could the orbs be a manifestation of these forces, a celestial warning about the dangers of our current path? The Book of Enoch suggests that the Watchers were punished for their transgressions, cast down from heaven and imprisoned within the earth. Is it possible that they are now seeking to prevent us from making the same mistakes, from unleashing forces that could destroy us all? Or perhaps their motives are less altruistic? Could they be seeking to exploit our technological advances for their own purposes, to manipulate us into becoming pawns in a cosmic game that we do not fully understand? Whether the orbs are benevolent guardians, malevolent entities, or something in between, their message is clear. We are at a crossroads, a pivotal moment in human history. Our choices, our actions will have far-reaching consequences, not only for ourselves, but for future generations and perhaps even for the delicate balance of the cosmos. The drones falling from the sky, disabled by forces we cannot fully comprehend, serve as a stark reminder of the limits of our technology, of our vulnerability in the face of the unknown. They are a wake-up call, a challenge to look beyond our material world and to consider the possibility that we are not alone in the universe. The orbs, with their strange behavior and their apparent interest in our nuclear capabilities, force us to confront uncomfortable truths about our own nature, our capacity for both creation and destruction. They remind us that every action has a reaction, that every cause has an effect, and that the choices we make today will reverberate through time. The question is, are we listening? Are we paying attention to the signs, the warnings, the whispers from the past and the present that suggest we are not the masters of the universe we once thought we were? The answers, if we are brave enough to seek them, might lie hidden in plain sight, in the ancient texts that have been passed down to us, in the unexplained phenomena that continue to baffle us, and in the depths of our own hearts and minds. The image of a drone falling helplessly from the sky, its sophisticated systems rendered useless by an enigmatic orb, is a powerful symbol of our times. It speaks to our technological hubris, our belief that we have conquered nature only to be confronted by forces we cannot control or even fully comprehend. Is this a battle between technology and something beyond our understanding? Some researchers propose the orbs aren't attacking at all, but rather trying to communicate. They point to the often reported pulsating light emitted by the orbs, speculating it could be a form of language, a complex semaphore we haven't learned to decipher. Others see the drones and orbs as locked in a cosmic dance, a delicate interplay between the known and the unknown. They believe the orbs are testing us, probing our defenses, measuring our reactions. Are we a threat? Are we worthy of further contact? Or are we a danger to ourselves and others? The drones, with their cameras and sensors, represent our attempt to document, to quantify, to impose order on the universe. The orbs, elusive and enigmatic, defy such categorization. They exist outside our frameworks of understanding, a stark reminder that there are more things in heaven and earth than are dreamt of in our philosophy. This clash between the known and the unknown, the seen and the unseen, is at the heart of the drone and orb phenomenon. It is a clash that forces us to confront our limitations, to acknowledge that there are forces at play in the universe far greater than ourselves. Throughout history, there have been individuals who claim to possess knowledge beyond the ordinary, who claim to see and hear things that others could not. These individuals, often labeled as mystics, seers, or prophets, were often feared and ostracized, their messages dismissed as madness or heresy. In our modern era, we like to think we've moved beyond such superstitions. We place our faith in science, in technology, in the tangible and the measurable. And yet, the drone and orb phenomenon, along with a host of other unexplained phenomena, challenges our materialistic worldview, forcing us to consider the possibility that there are realms of existence beyond our current understanding. Could it be that there are modern-day prophets among us, individuals who are sensitive to the subtle energies and communications of the orbs, who are receiving messages that we, in our technological arrogance, are unable or unwilling to hear? The accounts of these individuals, often dismissed as delusional or attention-seeking, bear striking similarities to the accounts of mystics and prophets throughout history. They speak of visions, of dreams, of telepathic communications, of a sense of impending change, of a call to awaken to a higher reality. Are we listening to these voices, these whispers from the edge of consciousness, or are we, like generations before us, too quick to dismiss them as the product of overactive imaginations or psychological disturbances? Perhaps in our haste to explain away the inexplicable, we are missing a vital message, a message that could hold the key to our future. The drone and orb phenomenon, viewed through the lens of the Book of Enoch, takes on a profound dimension. It suggests a spiritual battle, a clash between forces vying for control of our destiny. The forces of darkness seek to trap humanity in fear and ignorance. They tempt us with forbidden knowledge and materialism. The forces of light guide us towards peace and enlightenment. They inspire us to seek deeper truths and question the status quo. The battle is fought within our souls for our beliefs and essence. The choice, as always, is ours. As we stand at the precipice of the unknown, gazing up at the skies with a mixture of awe and apprehension, we are forced to confront the possibility that what we are witnessing is not merely a technological or even an extraterrestrial phenomenon. Could this be the unfolding of a prophecy, a message from the past echoing through time? The evidence, while circumstantial, is compelling. The orbs, with their strange behavior, bear striking similarities to the watchers described in ancient texts. Their appearance suggests a pattern, a synchronicity that cannot be easily dismissed. Are they here to guide us, to warn us, to protect us from ourselves? Or are their motives more inscrutable beyond our current understanding? The Book of Enoch offers no easy answers. only cryptic warnings about the dangers of forbidden knowledge. One thing is certain, we are not alone. Whether the orbs are physical craft, interdimensional beings, or something else entirely, they represent a reality beyond our current comprehension. They challenge our assumptions, shatter our paradigms, and force us to confront the possibility that our universe is far more complex, far more mysterious than we ever imagined. As we delve deeper into this mystery, we must do so with humility, with open minds, and with a willingness to question everything we thought we knew. The answers, if we are brave enough to seek them, may lie not in our laboratories or our telescopes, but in the ancient wisdom that has been passed down to us, in the whispers of the wind, in the language of the stars, and in the depths of our own hearts and souls.